Hey CHEFIT sisters, today we have something really fun for you on CHEFIT. We are going to be making a very green smoothie and it is absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes because we're using kale in it, but we're not tasting it so much, so it's not giving you that strong vegetable flavor. And the reason that is because we're pairing it up with pineapple, which is a very bold fruit flavor, so it helps hide that vegetable taste, and all you really taste is the pineapple, so it's nice and tropical. On top of that, we're adding in some protein, which comes in the form of our peanut butter. Then we also have some plain Greek yogurt to bump it up even more. I love using kale for smoothies because it's so high in vitamin K, and that's great for our protein and our muscle recovery because it actually helps us absorb calcium in the bones. So a great thing to have after your workout. So let's get ready to assemble it. So what I like to do first is put my kale in here, and this is about 2 cups loosely packed. You don't want to pack it in there too tight because it can be really hard to blend. And also with the kale, you can see I'm just using the leaves. So I take off the stems, and that's going to prevent it from getting too fibrous, and it's going to blend really nice and evenly. Then I'm going to go in with milk. And I'm just using a regular skim milk here. You can feel free to absolutely substitute in a nut-based milk if you're going vegan. Same with your yogurt. So this is just a plain Greek yogurt, so really great protein here. And then our pineapple. So this is what's gonna help cover up some of that vegetable tones that you get from the kale. A lot of people will avoid it because it has such a strong flavor, but I think this is a great way to introduce it into your diet without being so aggressive in those flavors. Next is our peanut butter. And then we have some frozen bananas here. And I like to freeze the bananas before I make my smoothies because it just helps give it that nice icy consistency without adding ice to it. And this is another great thing you can have in your freezer at all times. I always just buy a bunch of bananas, and when they start to get a little too overly ripe, rather than throwing them out or just making banana bread, I'll chop them up and freeze them and put them in my smoothies. So now that we have that in there, we will give it a blend. So simple to make. That took about 30 seconds. And now we have that nice green color. And there we go. There's our very green smoothie. Thank you so much for watching CHEFIT. My name is Jen, and you can find all of these recipes at chefit.com. We'll see you next time.